Hey friends, the wedding season is here and it's impossible not to create a wedding vlog. Let's learn English. This is the venue, a very famous one in Agra. Venue means the place where weddings are held. Now this is the entrance and a lady is entering through the main gate. Through means moving from one side to another. I spotted some cameramen here taking photos. There is a colossal sculpture of Lord Ganesha at the welcome gate and it's absolutely beautiful. Let's move ahead and see what else we can find. I stumbled upon an old friend and it's wonderful to meet her again. People are wandering around looking for their favorite treats. And we have a Golgappa stall here. A stall is a small stand where food is served. The servers are well dressed and there's a large griddle tawa where the chef is serving the snacks in disposable bowls. Here's a counter. A counter is a surface or place where items are displayed. We can see kulfi, makhan samosas and other sweets in copper bowls. The ambience, meaning the mood of the place, is lovely with chandeliers overhead and there are families enjoying dinner in the foreground. I have arrived at the jalebi counter, a sweet treat I love in winters. Gajar ka halwa is popular but it's not my favorite. People are enjoying their favorite desserts. A band of musicians is playing and everyone is having a great time. There's also a fruit counter beautifully decorated with glass pots showcasing pineapples, dragon fruits, black grapes and many more. I requested a beautiful girl to let me record her and she got ready, looking lovely in a bedazzling dress. There are families enjoying themselves, some seated and others strolling around. Now strolling means walking leisurely. This is a sweets counter and over here we have the iced tea counter with mixed berry flavors. I have tasted it and it's great. The main highlight is this stage, beautifully decorated with chandeliers. And here's the live snack counter. Now live counter means the chef cooks the food right in front of you. This is Agra's famous milk kadahi. Look at the large pot and even I can see the name written on it. And now the main attraction, the Barat has arrived. The Barat is the wedding procession and the ladies are dancing and moving along in colorful outfits. So guys, this is my vlog. I hope you learned some English along the way. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Till then, bye bye.